everyone, Mike Sherry here with Sherry 4x4. I've got an awesome all-new 2023 Jeep Wrangler to show you today. This is a Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, which is the 4-door, and it's a special Jeep Wrangler. Not only is it brand new, but it also has a brand new upfit on it by Rocky Ridge. It's their K2 package, which gives you a truly customized Jeep. So definitely stay tuned. I'll show you all the cool stuff on this. So let's just go ahead and get started. So this has got the hardtop on it, which is a nice feature here. Looks good on the black Jeeps because the top itself is black as well, so it fits in nice. The two front sections, so over the driver section and passenger section, are removable tops, so that's nice. And then the back third section is removable also. Just requires maybe a couple people to lift it off there. So it's got the Rocky Ridge emblem up here front and center of the windshield. It's got the simulated vented hood. And then check this out, Rocky Ridge puts a 3-inch suspension lift system on this, which allows for 37-inch tires. They wrap those tires, those tires are sitting on 20-inch custom 4-play wheels. The tires themselves are the premium tires. They're BF Goodrich Mud Terrain KM3 tires. So these tires do awesome off-road, and they perform great on-road too. They're not too loud, and look at that tread pounder, isn't that cool? Now Fox Shocks, what you see right here, is the parent company of Rocky Ridge. So they design and implement products for Rocky Ridge that no one else can get, which really makes this lifted Jeep Wrangler drive unbelievable. We got coil springs. Notice it's accent painted in the same color as the Jeep, the black. Got two steering stabilizers, one here and then there's one on the other side. That is part of the ride there that allows this to ride so good. Rocky Ridge upgrades the whole front end here. They put the stubby bumper on it. So a stubby bumper is not quite as wide as the factory bumper. That allows for this not only look cool, but also for off-road purposes. If you're driving around here, say a big boulder's right here where my hand is, where typically the bumper would bump into that, now the tire's just going to climb right over it. So it's designed and engineered that way. It's got a 20-inch trail light on it that's LED. Got your tow hooks here, so if someone's stuck, I don't think you're going to get stuck in this, but if someone's stuck, you can help pull them out. You got your skid plate up front here. Everything really looks awesome. Now Rocky Ridge, since they lift this 3 inches, they add this step. It's a power amp research step to help you get up into it. And really works slick. Just got to open the door and it opens up, close the door, and it closes behind you for that side. They also upgrade the seats here to leather seats, which is super nice. Got the honeycomb stitching in it, and it's definitely a high quality material. You got your Jeep form-fitting mats down there so you can keep the mud contained and the Jeep clean. It also has the insulated top here, which I love that. Helps with sound deadening, and I also like they put it on the removable front pieces there, so when you take them off and you store them somewhere, they're not going to get all scratched up. Got your sound bar up top here, which is really sweet. Of course, we got power windows back here. Heat and air conditioning vents for the back passengers. You can see your Fox shock in the rear. It's really important. A lot of people don't realize that. Rocky Ridge is actually, to my knowledge, one of the only ones that Ram will actually ship these Jeeps to brand new and say, hey, do what you want with it. We trust you. We've had a relationship with you for decades now, and do some really cool stuff with our Jeeps. No one else does Jeep trust that to, that I am aware of. Everyone else has to buy a Jeep new from a dealer and then take it somewhere to get upfitted, and what that means is it voids the Jeep warranty. Everything here, Rocky Ridge is done in partnership with Jeeps, and nothing's going to void the warranty, and Rocky Ridge backs up everything that they do for 3 years, 36,000 miles. That is impressive. All right, so we got the same size spare wheel and tire back here. That's an impressive feat in itself. They relocate the third brake light up here and the backup camera down here, so everything still works as operational. It's a Smitty built wheel mount, and it's also the door hinge here for your back door hinge. So they have to upgrade all that from the factory to handle this bigger tire and wheel, because it's a lot heavier than what the factory one's made for. Got your wiper back here, and that window back here is defrosting as well. Okay, so inside this plastic bag is a vinyl bag. That's where those two removable T-tops come into play for storage. Now this here is a cover for that 20-inch LED light bar. Keeps the rock chips and stuff when you're driving this on the road from breaking that light assembly. Financing is available on this. Another great reason why to buy an upfitted product from us here at Sherry 4x4 is everything is included in the price. You don't have to go spend tens of thousands of dollars elsewhere after you buy the Jeep and then try to figure out how to pay for it. You can wrap it all up into a payment if you're looking to finance. So that's super nice, and we can help you out there. I'll post the link down below where you can get started right from home. Rocky Ridge emblem and the headrest. We also sell these all around the country here. So we're here in Ohio, but we do business. I bet we've shipped these to nearly every state in the last 15 years or so. So pretty cool. We work with a lot of transport companies that can deliver these to your door like a pizza pie. See, this one's got 28 miles on it, again, brand new. The dash here, I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but the dash is all painted in the same exterior color, and even down through here. That does not come from Jeep like that. That's something Rocky Ridge has done. Spot for your key, does have keyless entry with remote start and panic. Automatic transmission, transfer cases right here to shift it into four-wheel drive. Spot for your phone, power windows. It's got a spot to plug in your phone. Another spot to store it down there. Heat and air, radio controls. Got the touchscreen radio with backup camera. Check this out. I love that view. See the wheel? Isn't that cool? AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, so it's got all your modern features in it. Climate control, all that right there. Steering wheel, got cruise control on it. Hands-free connectivity for your cell phone, so you can talk hands-free. Power mirrors, power door locks. Even programs up here, so you can program in your garage remotes. So that's nice. Really, really, really cool Jeep. Look at our website for our current inventory. These sell really quick. Like I said, there's only one authorized upfitter in the whole United States, and that's the Fox brand of companies, and they do a great job. So if you're looking for a truly custom Jeep without all the worry about where to get stuff fixed and how to get it fixed under warranty, and if it's going to void your Jeep warranty, definitely check out our webpage. We've got a great selection. So thanks for hanging out. We look forward to hearing from you. Take care.